Lexus GX470. What we got done on it for you guys, the factory converter there. It comes with a total of three, one there, one there. There's a third one right there. Then he brought his own muffler, a Flowmaster Delta Flow 50 series 94255. There'll be a link in the description. There it is right there. Then we cut the rear resonator off and put a 3-inch tip in its place right there. There's the resonator and there's the muffler that we cut off. Right there, right there. There it is after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Yeah. Is that what you wanted? Not loud enough, not too loud. Go ahead. That's actually not bad. GX470 Lexus. Your sound decibels? 90.3. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. Not too loud. It just went in a subtle tone. That's what we got for him done. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. '2006 Lexus GX470. Even these luxury cars get a muffler delete. So we'll show you what we did. It's got stock converters, total of 4. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Then it wires into a single over here. Then that's where the muffler was. The huge, humongous thing right there. We said, we don't want it no more. So we cut it off. Comes with 3 hangers. We put new hangers in its place and left the resonator. He didn't want it way too loud, but he wanted to hear it. Before, you couldn't even hear it. You know how luxurious cars are. So there's the muffler that, you know, we hate. So we cut off. There it is. That's what it looks like when you do a muffler delete on these. And make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Lexus GX470 V8. What do you think? More. No more? They like it, so we'll leave it like that. Give it gas. Sound up. It's 101. It's not too much. There's the muffler we cut off. It's not too bad. And at idle, you don't hear it at all. Remember, 4 cats too on it. Lexus GX470. What do you guys think? Muffler delete. Let you guys hear on the inside. GX470, baby.
Lexus V8. We got done on it is factory converter there, and there. Did a muffler delete there, and did a resonator delete, a double-walled stainless tip. We'll let you guys hear when we just cut the muffler off. Now we cut the resonator off. It's straight pipe. There's the old muffler, the old resonator that was on it. There it is, a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. So we'll drop it down, we'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. GX470 Lexus V8. right, go ahead and back it out. Let you guys see it on the inside.
It's 470 Lexus. Fully straight pipe, baby. He says he wants to bug the neighbors, so. And if you guys ever want a sticker, come on by. GX 470 straight piped. There she goes to Clarksville. Enjoy, guys. 2004 Lexus GX 470. He just put a lift kit, tires, everything. He's done it all himself. So I praise him for that. It looks really, really nice. So there's the factory converters there, and there. Then what we put on it, they had a Flowmaster Super 50. We took it off and put a Flowmaster Super 10 because he wanted a little bit louder, which I don't blame him. I like it louder anyway. And then factory tailpipe. Then we did a resonator deleters also earlier in the year and put a 4-inch pipe right there, 4-inch tip. Double wall stainless steel. There'll be a link in the description for the muffler and the tip. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. What do you guys think? I like it. It's not too bad. Right. Because it's got that 3-cat setup too. Again, there's sound decibels. Surprisingly quiet. Wow. I thought it would be louder than that. Not bad. It's really pretty good. Let you guys hear on this. Nice! Guys, we got an off-road beast. 2007 Lexus GX 470 V8 beast. Look at that. Got a snorkel, got everything on it. He's got it all the way to the hood in water before. You guys can see that. Still runs like a beast, like nothing happened. There's that huge winch. Look at this undercarriage cover. Solid metal. Can withstand just about anything. So much fun. Anyways, you guys can't see the exhaust, but it's under there. There's cats and stuff under there, okay? See the cats? Then it wires into a single. Then what we did, he wanted a little bit of sound, nothing crazy. So we went ahead and put a Carbon TR performance muffler. Part number right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Right there. We always have to add pipe to it to make it fit. Because it's not really that big. It's as big as my hand. Like, it's about 12 inches long, 15 inches long. All right? Right there. My hand's not 15 inches, by the way. But anyways, and then it goes over the rear end. We kept the resonator on it and kept the stock tailpipe out the back. Because all he wanted was about 30% worth of sound. He wanted more performance than anything. So that's what we offered. And the muffler that was on it is right here. We cut it off and go land single out. Look at this thing. It's triple the size of what we just put on it right there. So it looks better. It's cool. I like it. It's a different look completely. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And like Jared always says, hit that notification bell. And if you guys don't know, we are in Nashville, Tennessee. All right, good. You wanted 30%, so I gave you 30%, you know? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 97.1. Let it idle. And idle, it's quiet. So when you start it in the morning or anything, it doesn't. Yeah, but if you want it louder, take that resonator out next. Okay.
That's real good.
Again. Yeah, there's another rock coming up.
All the rocks.
Go ahead and back it up. Good looking Lexus. Look at that thing. I like it. Perfect. Let us know what you guys, should he make it louder or keep it like that? I think he should keep it like that. I think it sounds perfect for this car. It's still a Lexus at the end of the day. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus GX470 with a carbon TR muffler, stock resonator, stock tailpipe, stock cats, carbon TR muffler swap. Oh, perfect. That's about 30% louder. I like it. Enjoy, guys.